I think the added thing here is the role of social media
Oh.
and how it kind of makes them feel like they are empowered to do or
Yeah.
say a lot of things,
Mhm.
and then it doesn't really translate in reality.
Yeah.
Kasi I receive a lot
Oo,
of
hindi reality
hate
talaga.
messages,
Peke yung social media.
even death threats,
Yeah.
and then pero pag when you meet naman people in even the ones who don't necessarily like what you do,
Yeah.
they don't like outright give you like that violence.
Exactly, oh.
Hindi naman sila
They
gano-
may discuss with you, very
Correct.
uncomfortable discussion.
Correct. I'm like,
Pero, yes po, opo,
yes
gets
po,
ko po.
correct.
Pero they won't like do the things, not even close to the hate comments that we get,
Exactly.
di ba?
So parang dun ako na parang
Yeah.
there's a disconnect with how people are in social media.
I think though, parang when they are empowered to voice out their opinions and voice out their views and everything, and it's so easy for like someone now to be heard, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero I think shouldn't it be dahil nga may ganun, they should be more responsible with what they say kaysa ngayon na we're actually giving them avenues of non-accountability. Di ba parang, pwede kang gumawa ng fake profile, hindi sa'yo yan. Tapos
Correct.
pwede kang magsalita ng kahit ano,
Correct.
di ba? So, things like that. So, feeling ko dapat, the more na accessible yung platform, the more na nakikinig ka, dapat may responsibility ka. Because that's what they tell us if we're public figures. They tell us, dapat ingat ka sa mga sinusuportahan mo, mga sinasabi mo, because people listen to you. That
Yes.
goes for everyone, di ba? Like, kung may ma-implement sa kang 3 tao, tsaka 200 tao, fine, magkaiba yung gravity and switch. Pero that's still the same
Correct,
logic.
correct.
So, para sa akin, they should also be held accountable just because they aren't public figures. Dapat, kung ano yung sinasabi nila, accountable ka rin dapat sa sinasabi mo. Diba?
Minsan kasi naisip ko, puro ano na lang like money making yung iba.
Yeah,
So
I
like, they
gets.
will just, I'm like, okay.
Oo. Kasi ako naman inisip ko, yung mga comment na nagagalit, inisip ko, nag-express din sila. But the way I'm expressing, di ba, parang ganun. So parang yun na rin siguro yung, parang art na siya, I guess. Parang makita nilang may 74 likes yung comment nila, siya yung nasa tuktok, di ba?
Yeah,
Para sa
yeah,
dami
yeah.
nag-reply, tama, ganyan, ganyan. So I guess parang yun na yung way nila to cope. Gets ko naman yun. Kasi it's reactionary to the stimuli na binigay ko sa kanila. Pero parang kung ang stimuli, ang reaction mo is tumigil ka na mag-exist.
Yeah.
Medyo na yun, di ba? Parang masyadong harsh.
Meron din kasing people who I would appreciate if it's like reactionary, it's okay.
Yeah.
I think that's very human.
Oo.
Pero when people kind of just drag your name
Yeah.
or your issue for content, that's where like,
wow, yeah, totoo.
yeah, I'm like, there are people who just keep on commenting or they have their opinions, and I'm like, I didn't ask for your opinion, but okay.